I'm Chris, I'm one of the sprayers here. This is the Audi 70L 1969. Well, first off I had to strip it all down, take all the rust out, which took quite a fair bit of time because it was all pitted everywhere. After that, once it's all prepped, I put the epoxy primer over it, prep that, then we go on for the polyfan, which is a sprayable filler. Once that's all flattened back, sanded up really nice, we go for primer on top of that, sand it again, and then we're ready for the top coats. So I did the roof first in black, moved down and did the white for the rest of the body, because we've got a two-tone car. So the product we used on this was a new one. It was an eco-friendly type of clear coat, which is made by Lechler. And to be honest, it's one of the hardest eco clear coats I've ever used. And it comes out the gun really nice. Then it was just cut and polish. Yeah? Go through all the grades, so you do 1000 grit, then 1500, 2000, 3000, 5000, then all the compounds, so the green compound, the white one and the grey. And then it kind of comes up, as you can see, kind of mirror finish.